Hey guys, got some good stuff for you today. Been researching how to get court cases dismissed or to prevent court cases. It's been a couple months putting this together. The first thing is from the beginning and with documents, I've created this CD for a donation. Now, what this is it's not really a step-by-step thing, but it's like 25 different mechanisms that will cause your case to not get started or for them to have to quit, to really squash the case or to get the case dismissed. Now I've put this together. I've done some very serious study. I've compiled documents and articles and things like that. For somebody just getting started or somebody that wants to win their court case if it ever happens, or a speeding ticket, whatever it might be. I've compiled these things that are legal to get your court case dismissed or get kicked out. Now, there's a lot of things within the code in every state, reasons to get a case kicked out that you wouldn't normally know. We're programmed one way, but they do another system on us. It's like doing Windows 7 all the time you go to school, and now they're on Windows 10, and you can't understand. I can't understand Windows 10. So it's that kind of thing. But if you have these mechanisms, and these things that you can do, it causes just the regular man or woman that's just getting started in this to have a super chance of getting their case dismissed or getting it kicked out or asking the right questions so they won't proceed, so they don't get exposed. That type of stuff. This is for the person that just always wants to win. You break down what I have on this CD, and you look at each file and you listen to the couple of videos and the things that I give you and the ideas that I give you. There's no reason that you couldn't get like every case dismissed. You have to do your due diligence and study, but there is documents that I mentioned in the videos. There is procedures, there is advice, there is just all of these things that would, anybody didn't know anything, they could start from the beginning and they could get their case dismissed. And my whole point to this is, if you have these CDs or this CD that I'm putting together, you can start from the beginning and you can be concentrating on the correct thing instead of trying to get around everything you're involved in, and it gets worse and worse and worse. If you've ever been involved in anything, just tickets from the police or any types of court cases, you understand that there's nowhere you can go. So you get an attorney and then he stabs you in the back, and there isn't a good outcome. You end up paying, you end up maybe going to jail, you end up paying a fine, you end up with probation. This stuff avoids all of that, and it gets you to the beginning to where you have some teeth in the matter about what you're doing, so you can at least have half a chance, or you can be up on the system. So I put all of these different mechanisms within this CD, that there's videos and documents, and you go through these documents very carefully, and you'll find little nuggets of things that are super important that we were never taught. So get a hold of me if you'd like to donate and get this CD. I can get it right out to you right away. It's going to be fairly inexpensive, but it did take me around 2 months to put this together with the study and research and everything. So I hope to hear from you soon, and we'll talk to you soon.